If your circuit breakers are just tripping on the bottom of the box, the first step is pull the red wire off of right down here and check if they still trip. If they trip with one of the red wires off, then you most likely need a new transformer. The most likely item after lightning is actually the little rectifier block. It's about 1 inch square, 1/4 inch thick. It's got a beveled corner on it. That beveled corner is really important because you got to hook up the wires the same way. It's really important because that's where the blue wire goes, on the beveled corner. So it's just a 1/4 inch screw. You can pull right out one screw and put the new one in, put the wires back right how they had been, and the beveled corner is your reference point for the blue wire. The purple wire goes opposite of it. The two reds go catty corner. It's super easy. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Kevin Hoover from AutoVent, and we make ventilation controllers for dairies and greenhouses. The power supply they very rarely go out. But you check those by checking if there's incoming power, make sure the unit's powered up. And then the next thing is you disconnect the circuit board up here, because these are intelligent, and if the circuit board blows out, they'll just go to 0 volts. And then you'll think the power supply is bad. To make sure that doesn't happen, you remove the black wire and you measure between the red and the black. If you don't get 24 volts DC between the red and the black, it's time to replace it. To replace this one, you got to turn the power off to the entire unit. There's a little screw here, and you can just pull the frame of it out and put the new one in. In the grand scheme of things, the rectifier block is the most likely thing to go out. It's often from lightning, or if you give it a dead short. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll try to respond to them. And if you like it, subscribe so we keep making more for you.